Everett, what'd you just do?
We just booked the flights to Colombia.
Booked a flight to where?
Colombia, the country.
Hey, it's Luke. Me, Everett, and my hen are going to play some ITF J30's down in Colombia, South America. I've known Everett since as long as I can remember, and I'm super pumped to enjoy this new experience and grind out on the red clay.
Hey guys, this is Everett. This series will be a multi-part episode series as we walk through our tournaments in Bogota, Ibagué, Pereira, Colombia. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos.
CDC doesn't require a yellow fever vaccine, but just to be safe, I've heard a lot of stories of people trying to get into Colombia and they were denied entry. So we're gonna go ahead and just get the yellow fever vaccine. The only one we could find is in a little town named Wagner at a Walgreens. So I've got Everett with me.
What's up? Super excited to go to Colombia for those 3 ITF tournaments. Going to get the yellow fever vaccine right now. And also in like 10 days or so, we're gonna have to go like to Arkansas to get my passport renewed.
For the week, I don't usually do it on Mondays. Okay, I have these for you. You'll be fine, okay? I'll be gentle, I promise.
Stick him hard, make it hurt.
I'll be gentle.
So, Luke, you ready for Colombia now?
Yeah. You have to serve volleyball.
Yeah.
Even when you come back from Colombia.
How'd you feel about today's practice?
Solid. Some ups and downs.
Ready for the altitude?
Yeah.
How are you? What's the elevation in Colorado Springs?
What's the elevation in Colorado Springs? 6,035.
Now check Bogota.
What's the elevation in Bogota, Colombia? 8,661.
So imagine that Colorado Springs is where they do the Olympic training because of the altitude. And now Bogota is 2,600 feet higher than that.
I wasn't scared at first, but now I'm scared.
Trust me, the ball's gonna go out, and you're gonna look at it. You're gonna look at the racket. You're gonna be like, "What the hell's?" You're gonna look at the sky. And you're gonna be like, "What the hell's going on?"
It's the wind, man.
Yeah. It's a good one, man. Everybody's got to experience it one time in their life.
I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna tell you, I was like, you're right.
I know I'm right.
We'll see.
I'm really wrong, but this one, I'm
Really wrong.
Yeah, I'm pretty convinced.
Play. All right. More serve and volley. Slice first serves. Yep. Big kick serves. Don't try to loop the ball. Don't try to hit it heavy. Play it like you're playing indoor tennis. Plays fast. So short points. But more slice backhands for sure. 3 indoor surface.
Indoor clay.
No. Like glass.
Really?
It's gonna play fast. Yeah.
Nowhere like green clay?
Nowhere near like nothing. Like you're gonna hit a ground stroke and you're gonna think, oh, it's a great shot. It's gonna go this far out. But about the 15th time, you're gonna be like, do what's right.
So shorts.
What do you want?
Shirts are gonna go
Which one?
there.
Which one?
I don't know. Bring that.
Give me roll them.
Bring that. Bring that.
It's very odd.
So it's a pretty day driving down the road. Everett, where are we headed?
We are headed to Hot Springs, Arkansas to get my passport renewed.
Yeah, why are we having to go to Hot Springs?
Because my passport is technically valid until May 4th and we come back on May 3rd. But apparently you have to have a 6-month buffer for your passport if you want to come back into the country, which is kind of stupid because my passport is valid till May 4th, but whatever.
Yeah, and the reason we're going to Hot Springs is because that's the closest to us center where you can get your passport renewed in person. And it's kind of crazy. We leave Tulsa. There's not one in Tulsa. There's not one in Oklahoma City. There's not one in Kansas City. You got to go all the way to Hot Springs, Arkansas. Wandered up to security.
What?
Man,
Nope. No TSA pre-check.
no.
There's nothing there.
I mean, luckily we're at the Tulsa airport where it doesn't matter really which line you go in because there's nobody there.
Is it quicker to go through there? Honestly?
No. Hey Everett, call Luke and see if he's made it to Nashville Airport yet.
All right. Yo, Luke Colson. Yo, where are you? Are you Nashville, Kentucky still? Where are you?
I'm in Nashville. I'm 37 minutes from the airport.
Okay, alrighty, sounds good.
Ask him what time his flight is.
What time's your flight?
102, so I get into Houston. Let me see. My United app is so broken.
What'd he say?
How is it broken?
What'd he say was
He
broken?
said his United app is broken.
Oh.
It's just like, it crashes every time I get my boarding pass.
Here at the Nashville airport, waiting for my flight to Houston.
You can rest and don't want to wake you every time the seatbelt sign comes on, so please buckle it over your garment. If you need anything, just press your call button. Thanks again for flying with us. We'll be back with more details about today's flight once we're in the air.
Seconds long.
So man, what you doing, man? I like seeing this little iPad Mac action. What you doing?
Doing some AP calculus.
AP Calculus. Attaboy. Luke, look like he's gonna hit his head on the door.
Big Colson's. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Look at these fellas. Luke, meet my hand.
My head.
How was the flight?
It was good. It was a little bumpy.
A little bumpy?
Yeah, very bumpy.
Got your beats on.
Exactly.
Mom and Dad will be happy to see you made it here at least.
Uh-huh.
So Luke, what'd you do about your string tension?
I went up from 48 to 55.
So 7 pounds.
Yeah.
Everett, how much did you go
I
up?
went from 45 to almost 50.
Okay, so 5 pounds. Everett's gonna grind out the spin. Mahan, what'd you go from what to what?
53 to 56.
53 to 56. So he went up the least, but he was also the tightest. So they said to board the plane, what'd you have to have?
A boarding pass and passport.
Got to have them both out. Yeah, Luke's got them.
This is secret departure.
Thank you for the ride. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How you doing there, Booker?
El club queda a 5 minutos de la casa.
No.
Okay, hold on. So hold on, Luke. Explain to us. So I'm looking at you
All
go
right, it's
through
not a letter
envelopes.
for every day.
Hold on, and I'm like, did you get a letter from your girlfriend for every day? And he said yes. Go ahead, and explain to us, Luke.
So there's one open on your last day in Colombia, open on your first full day there, open when you're sleepy, open on my birthday, open on April 15th,
This is a keeper, man.
open if you play bad or have a bad day,
You don't let this girl go.
open when you're bored, open if you miss me, open when you play amazing,
Wife her up immediately.
and 3 more.
Bro, this is.
Yeah.
Look at me and
I
laugh.
know, I have a round of applause, bro.
Bro, that is the. I have never seen
Yeah, I've
that.
never-
That
That's
is.
pretty money.
a lot of
That
effort.
definitely took
That's
like 3 hours.
Yeah,
of her
dude.
time.
That's a lot of effort.
I'm disappointed in Sarah Garrett. I'm disappointed in Sarah Garrett after looking at that.